Want to know how to use the envelope tool in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Audacity application, and once you're there, just simply head towards File right here. And now once you're headed towards File, here you can see Import. And once you've selected Import, here you can see Audio. So just simply select Import and select Audio, and now once you have done that, you can just simply import any file that you want. Now, using envelope tool is pretty simple. So up here on the navigation bar, you should be seeing this two-dot icon. This is the envelope tool. Just simply select it or just click F2 to do it. And once that is done, you can see the lines coming up just like this right here. Yeah, you can just simply increase or decrease the volume just like this by selecting a part. And if you again select another part, what you can do is, here you can see, you can just simply fade in and out in the middle of the clip. So you can also select another part of a clip and it shows two dot lines right here, and you can just simply select it accordingly just like this. And that's it. That's how you use envelope tool. This is really interesting and really good for experimenting and stuff. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.